MaxVac impact hammer guard. Comes in the box with two sections of hose which you can remove and replace. They're flexible and they take into account the length of the chisel that you're going to use. When you're fitting the impact hammer guard, you need to remove from its clips the collar. You can then put the rest of the hammer guard to one side. On the collar, this is fitted with 6 screws. You need to remove those 6 screws. And then using the foam that is provided, stick that to the inside of the guard collar. Now this will vary depending on which machine you are using, but between the top and there, you need 3 sections there and then the 3 pieces on the other. Place the two collars and then using a suitable drill, driver or by hand, put the 6 screws back in. Back to the other side to put the last one in. Okay, so there we have that now fitted. What that now is grip the chuck, so I can do that, and it pulls the whole chuck back to release the tool. Now we've fitted the collar onto the chuck, we now get the rest of the hammer guard and clip it on there. You now have free movement. You've got the vacuum hose port, and that is now fitted. Now to insert the chisel, you get the break of chisel that you require, put it down to the chuck, and as with all of these chucks, once you've found the correct locating point, they just push in. To remove the chisel, you can actually use the whole of the impact hammer guard to push back and remove the chuck. So that pushes right back, release the chuck, and you can then pull the chisel out.